Hello everyone, welcome to Trends and Support. The last week witnessed a continuous sell-off, and the FI is also continuously selling. And I already mentioned, don't miss a buy side when the Nifty came 25 375 range, 375 to 80 range, and you see that after this one it made a small dip around 25 318 range. So I will explain why this one give a support here and why it's spike, why it's bounced back. And you see that it made a high around 25 551 from 25 375 range. That's a very good move. That was a very good upside move. And the remaining movement and the remaining pattern or remaining the movement of Nifty we can check. So now see that this one it's Nifty continuously falling here. Then you can see lower high, lower high, lower high. So we are having a resistance or cross line resistance is around 25550 range. And once we cross this one, then we will have a next resistance around 25612 range. So you can note at these ranges, and next one is coming around 25 658 range, 58 to that means 25 660 and 675 range. After this one, this is all small time frame one, so I will explain later in the 4-hour chart also, so you can compare these levels. And after we cross this one, that means 75 range, then next resistance is coming around 25 740 range. So I'm expecting a pattern here. It's like a inverted head and shoulder pattern. Here this way it may come and move this way. And see that if we hold this one, this line, this is the falling channel support line. Here this is the rising channel now, this one. So we made a high here, and it may come down here and bounce back. So the support for this Monday is coming around 25 here 458 range. Then if this one not hold, then we will have a falling channel support line is here. That one is coming around 25 425 to 430 range. So this mostly will act as a support. If this one not hold, then we will have a downside movement towards 380 370 range and 350 range. So if we not hold this 25 310, then we will have a bearish trend of Nifty. So I probably we will hold this support, and we will mostly bounce back, because the pattern here also forming like a inverted head and shoulder pattern. So it can be moved this ways. And if we cross this one, we can take a position or buy side for the call option or a future for the upside movement. Then you can expect this target. And maybe we hit here, and there might be a profit booking here, or slightly come down here and move. So the higher side target here I mentioned around 25 730 to 740 range. So if we hit here and come down, then this target might be slightly changed towards this range around 25 750 range. So the both intersection is coming this range, this line and this line. So it can be 25 735 range. Otherwise, if we hit here, it's directly moving upward, and 25 740 above, this can move towards here. That means 25 785 range, and 85 and 25 824 25 range. So that's for the small time frame Nifty moves, and we go to check 4-hour moves as well. This is a 4-hour time frame. Don't look for too much lines. It has its own values. And you see this line, that is the previous W pattern breakout line. So this line acting as a support in this recent time. So you see this 25,317 acting as a support, and we got a bounce. And already mentioned that 25,370 range will act as a very strong support because it was in 4 hour cup and handle breakout. So this is very big one. So see, I already explained these things. And so this was holding, and we witnessed a very good bounce, and more than 151 170 points upside we already got. So I already explained what is doing and what was it done in the small time frame. And now the major resistance only coming here 25 612 and 61 range, 615 range. After this one we will have a major resistance in coming around here, that is 25,890 to 25,900 range. So it might be possible to move this ways because there is a sharp downside movement, and it could be like a sharp upside movement also. It already explained the what to call inverted head and shoulder pattern. So it could be the move is like this ways, and this ways with possible move these ways. So and the this support around 25,310 to 300 range is little more stronger. If we break that one, then we need to worry for the downside, and the bears will take control after this one. So the only support nearby is around 25 190 range. It might be change a little more higher side if the movement is low. Otherwise the support is around 25 180 to 190. If we close below or fell below this one, then there will be a big fall we can expect. Otherwise we can expect an upside movement, as I mentioned in the small time frame, even this in 4 hour also it could be the movement could be these ways. So hope you get a good idea about the Nifty in the coming days and the intraday movements. So let's go to check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I already mentioned the breakdown in the last videos. So I was expecting around it to 57,310. Once we got a sell off, that means the background 57,775. So that's all. This already met, and there is a slightly downside movement, and now we got a positive close also. So here Monday, if we cross 5820 range, then it will be very good for the Bank Nifty. This can move towards 58280 range. So you can expect a 250 plus point upside movement here, and you can use this as a stop loss. That means around 57,840 range. So that is 1:1 you can play. More than 1:1 you will get. And once we cross this one 58,280, then we can expect a very positive upside movement of the Bank Nifty. And I already explained we had a pending target. We are having a pending target 59 100 range, and if we got a breakout here, then it can move towards this target, and 58 700 is the first target we can expect. So even you see this previous time the Nifty was playing around what to call the range of 54 400 to sorry so 20 24 5 400 to 25 500 range. So that's around 1000 points movement. So now I'm expecting the same way the movement, like Nifty once get 25 300 range, then the FI is also coming, and they are buying at the bottom, and it can move towards 25 26 200 range. So this they can be make like in a wedge pattern, or like a flag pattern, or something like that. So the range mostly in between the bottom, mostly between 25 300 range, and the resistance is, that means they will sell at the top, that is around 26 200 150 to 200 range they will sell. and they are mostly they are buying at the bottom, that is the 25 300 range. So let's see in the coming days also. Hope you get a good idea about this Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you like this video, you can share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching.